Today, we will discuss Tab9 and Cody. Their main objective is to enhance developer efficiency by automating tasks, offering smart recommendations, and decreasing coding time. Both seek to deliver context-sensitive recommendations, indicating they examine the code you're developing to provide pertinent and precise support. Both are capable of producing code, whether by finishing lines of code or creating larger segments of code. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Tab9 stands out in delivering precise and context-sensitive code completion recommendations. It is recognized for its capacity to anticipate and finish lines of code, functions, and even whole sections. A major distinguishing factor is Tab9's focus on privacy, providing choices for local model operation. This enables developers, particularly in security-focused settings, to maintain the confidentiality of their code. Tab9 strongly prioritizes data privacy and allows users to dictate the locations where the AI models operate. Cody seeks to offer a more thorough comprehension of the complete codebase. It extends past basic code completion, providing functionalities such as code explanation, generation, and chat-oriented support. Cody excels at navigating and comprehending large, intricate codebases, making it beneficial for teams engaged in extensive projects. Cody is highly concentrated on enabling developers to post natural language inquiries regarding their codebase. All in all, if your primary need is highly accurate and private code completion, Tab9 is a strong choice. If you're working with large code bases and need a comprehensive AI assistant that can explain and generate code, Cody is a valuable tool.